Will we be the generation that allowed Wales to get left behind? On Saturday, the 4th of April, at the Senedd in Cardiff, Yes Cymru will call on the people of Wales to stand firm and support Home Rule for Wales and parity with Scotland. Across Europe, people can now see that the power is in their hands. Who runs Wales is too important to be left only to politicians. That is why we, the people of Wales, must unite in our call for the powers to control our land and water as well as who drills below it, the powers to run our police force and our courts, to be able to decide on broadcasting, taxation and welfare policies. Join us on the 4th of April and support us in any way you can, for Home Rule, for parity with Scotland, for the generations that follow. Wales's future is in our hands. We cannot allow Wales to get left behind.